Picture a spacecraft blazing through the sky, NASA's Crew-10 mission, aboard SpaceX's Endurance, making history. For the first time, a commercial crew mission targeted the Pacific Ocean for splashdown, not the Atlantic or Gulf of Mexico. This new landing zone means more flexibility and safety for future missions. After 180 days in orbit, the crew undocked from the ISS, drifting away from their home in space. Endurance fired its engines, plunging through the atmosphere at over 17,500 miles per hour, encased in plasma. Parachutes deployed, slowing the capsule for a gentle Pacific splashdown. This wasn't just a new spot on the map, it doubled NASA's safe return options. Now, if weather threatens one coast, there's a backup on the other. The partnership between NASA and SpaceX is redefining how we come home from space. Crew-10 was led by NASA's commander Sarah Sunny Johnson, with pilot Michael Retro Chen, ESA's Dr. Leah Dubois, and JAXA's Kenji Tanaka. This international team spent 6 months on the ISS, conducting hundreds of experiments. Dr. Dubois studied plant growth in microgravity, paving the way for future space farming. Johnson used the robotic arm to deploy satellites and test debris capture tech. Chen and Tanaka focused on astronaut health and upgraded the station's power systems. They tested 3D bioprinting, printing living tissue in space, and grew perfect crystals for new medicines. Every experiment pushed the boundaries of science and prepared us for deeper space missions. Crew-10's work was a leap for knowledge, benefiting life on Earth and beyond. On August 7, 2025, Crew-10's journey home began. After farewells and checks, Endurance undocked from the ISS, a bittersweet moment. Weather dictated the timing. NASA waited for perfect Pacific conditions. The new landing site off San Diego offers calmer waters and more predictable weather. Adding the Pacific as a landing zone gives NASA vital flexibility. No more delays from Atlantic storms. After undocking, Endurance circled the ISS for a final inspection, snapping photos for ground teams. Then, the crew settled in for a 24-hour journey home, prepping for the fiery re-entry. This mission proved the Pacific option works, ensuring astronauts and science return safely and on time. It's a game-changer for future missions. Crew-10 led the way. Re-entry is intense. Endurance hit the atmosphere at 25 times the speed of sound, its heat shield glowing at 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Astronauts endured up to 5 Gs as the capsule slowed. Drogue parachutes deployed, main parachutes deployed, guiding Endurance to a gentle Pacific splashdown. SpaceX recovery teams arrived within minutes, hoisting the capsule aboard. After months in microgravity, the crew received immediate medical checks to monitor their readjustment. The capsule also carried time-sensitive science samples rushed to labs thanks to the Pacific site's proximity to California. Fast recovery means better science and healthier astronauts. This new landing zone accelerates research and recovery for every mission. Crew-10's success is a triumph of global teamwork. Astronauts from the US, Europe, and Japan working as one. The mission proves space exploration thrives on international cooperation and commercial partnerships. With SpaceX, NASA now launches and lands astronauts from American soil, building resilience and innovation. Crew-10's achievements pave the way for Artemis and future lunar missions. Their work inspires the next generation, showing that STEM careers are about adventure and discovery. Every splashdown sends a message. Anyone can be part of humanity's journey to the stars. Crew-10's story is now part of our shared legacy of exploration. The adventure is just beginning.